Talesong 22. The good soldier Svejk. I'm Svejk, the fool with clever disguise, marching in boots, under bureaucratic skies. War's absurd, orders don't make sense, I stumble along, testing patience. Intense. Captains bark, soldiers glare, yet I grin, nothing's fair. Paperwork piles, officers shout, I twist their rules, turn them about. Chaos reigns, but I keep my cheer, even in danger. I show no fear. I laugh at nonsense, play every part, outwit the system with a hearty heart. Through trenches, towns, and long parades, life's a comedy in military shades. I survive by wit. By foolish claim, the world's ridiculous, I play the game. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.